other banking services and insurance services in GST Act. As we have discussed about banking services in particular in previous lectures, here we are taking other banking related services and insurance services. Foreign exchange conversion services. The value of supply of service in relation to purchase or sale of foreign currency, including money changing, shall be determined in three ways. They are as follows. Case 1. For a currency when exchanged from or to Indian currency, the value shall be equal to the difference in the buying rate or the selling rate as the case may be, and the Reserve Bank of India rate for that currency at that time multiplied by the total units of the currency. Case 2. In case where the RBI reference rate for the currency is not available, the value shall be 1% of gross amount of Indian rupees provided or received by the person changing the money. Case 3. In case whether neither of the currencies exchanged in Indian rupees, the value shall be equal to 1% of the lesser of the two amounts the person changing the money would have received by converting any of the two currencies in Indian rupees on that day at the reference rate provided by RBI. The taxable person can opt for composition scheme, optional composition scheme for payment of tax on exchange of foreign currency. A person supplying the services may exercise option to ascertain value in a financial year. Such option shall not be withdrawn during the remaining part of the financial year. 1% of the gross amount of currency exchange for an amount up to 1 lakh rupees subjected to minimum amount of rupees 250. Rupees 1000 plus half of the percent of the gross amount of currency exchange for an amount exceeding 1 lakh rupees and up to 10 lakh rupees. Rupees 5,500 and 1/10 of a percent of the gross amount of the currency exchange for an amount exceeding 10 lakh rupees subjected to maximum amount of 60,000 rupees. At the same time, services or purchase of foreign exchange currency by banks or authorized dealers of foreign exchange is exempt in GST. Services by an bank to any person in relation to settlement of account in single transaction through debit or credit card system up to 2,000 rupees is exempt. Locker services provided by banks. The tax rate on supply of locker with effect from 15th November 2017 is 18%, that is 9% CGST and 9% SGST. Earlier it was subjected to 28% GST and 14% GST cess. Service supplied by Reserve Bank of India and Securities Exchange Board of India are exempt, whereas service supplied to RBI and Security Exchange Board of India are not exempt under GST. In relation to financial services, after banking services, it is insurance services. Insurance services falls in a heading 9971 and GST rate is 18%, that is 9% CGST and 9% SGST. Time of supply for insurance services. Time of supply of insurance services is when new policy is issued. In case of renewal, time of supply is when notice of renewal is issued. There are specific life insurance schemes which are exempt from GST with effect from 1st July 2017. They are as follows: Janashri Bima Yojana, Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana, Varishta Pension Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana. At the same time, there are many general insurance schemes which are also subjected for exemption. To name some of them: Hut Insurance Scheme, Scheme for Insurance of Tribals, Pilot Scheme on Seed Crop Insurance, Universal Health Insurance Scheme, Coconut Palm Insurance Scheme, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Services provided to the central government, state government and union territory under any insurance scheme for which premium is paid by any government is exempt. At the same time, reinsurance is also exempt in goods and service taxes. Thank you. Do subscribe.